Research scholars. They're like the detectives of the academic world. They spend their days asking big questions, digging for answers, and trying to make sense of it all. They're the ones pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. Sounds glamorous, right? Well, hold on to your test tubes, folks, because the reality is a bit more complicated. Being a research scholar is no walk in the park. It's a wild ride of late nights, experimental failures, and the constant pressure to publish or perish. But amidst the chaos, there's a unique kind of humor. A dark, slightly self-deprecating humor that only those who've spent hours staring at spreadsheets or chasing down elusive data points can truly appreciate. Let's talk about the elephant in the lab. The long hours. Research scholars are basically nocturnal creatures, fueled by caffeine and the faint hope of a breakthrough. They pull all-nighters like it's an Olympic sport. And don't even get me started on the weekends. Weekends? What weekends? Then there's the financial struggle. Let's just say ramen noodles and instant coffee become dietary staples. They're masters of stretching a rupee further than you'd think possible. Forget fancy holidays and designer clothes. Remember those exciting science experiments in school? Now imagine them going wrong. A lot. That's the daily life of a research scholar. They're constantly battling with fickle equipment, contaminated samples, and the dreaded user error. And then there's the dreaded writer's block. Because apparently, discovering groundbreaking findings isn't enough. You have to write about it too, in a clear, concise, and engaging way that will impress even the most jaded reviewer. Section 4. The emotional roller coaster, self-doubt, and the quest for validation. Behind those data points and research papers are real people with real emotions. They battle self-doubt, imposter syndrome, and the constant pressure to prove their worth. The academic world can be tough, with rejections and criticism coming at you faster than a caffeine withdrawal headache. It takes serious guts and determination to keep going. But they do, because deep down, they're driven by a thirst for knowledge, a passion for their field, and the belief that their work can make a real difference. Section 5. The light at the end of the tunnel. Resilience, rewards, and the pursuit of knowledge. Despite all the challenges, there's something undeniably inspiring about research scholars. They're a special breed of humans, brilliant, quirky, and incredibly persistent. They teach us that even in the face of setbacks, it's important to keep asking questions, keep searching for answers, and never ever give up on our pursuit of knowledge. So the next time you see a research scholar hunched over a microscope or buried in a pile of books, give them a nod of respect, and maybe a strong cup of coffee. They're the unsung heroes of the academic world, and they deserve all the support we can give them.